Good day, folks, and now we are going to build. Good day, folks. It's rather hot out here, but let's get some cold weather going and build Elsa, shall we? It won't be quite frozen out, but it'll cool us down.
Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future uploads. Ready? Let's go!
And now we're going to build the Lego BrickHeadz Elsa. So, let's get to it. Let's crack this baby open and see what we got in there. Hopefully we'll have all the parts in this one. And maybe we'll even have a spare part that we can use on the Mando. So that would be rather neat if we did. But, judging by the colors, there's not very many gray 1x2 plates. So, probably not. Anywho, let's build. I like the pastel colors in this. It's really cool. There's a lot of cool coloring parts in here. Definitely use this for anything, really. Not just for Elsa, but you could use these parts for anything. These are cool parts. I like them. Oh, now there's a nice one. It's a printed brick, 1x4. Check the design out on that. It looks like a brick wall or something, but it's part of her skirt. But that's pretty slick. I like that. Okay, let's get building Elsa here. When you only got one part of something, it gets really tricky because you don't know if it's in there or not. It's hiding behind something, especially the smaller pieces. And that can sometimes drive me nuts, but I usually get it done. But kind of a weird way that they're going about building this one, but it is what it is. It's all done in the way the instructions are generated, of course, so and there we have Elsa. So, in review, they could have tiled off the rest of her hair, but it gives that a little bit of a definition, I guess you want to call it. It's kind of like, you know, loose hair type of thing sticking out. Love the printed bricks or elements. Love the use of the tricolor blue, or if you want to call it blue, I guess, because that's like an icy coral blue. Then you've got the baby blue, if you want to call it that, or Mersk blue, and then we have the regular blue, and the yellow, and the combination of the yellow and the coral blue or green really it's very pastel-y, so it's really nice. And I don't really care for not having facial features like a mouth, nose, and that. But once again, this is a BrickHead, and no articulation, no facial features. So it's just a block of bricks. If you care not to use this for a BrickHead or a display, then you can use your parts for anything you wish, because they are great color parts, and there's some great parts in there, especially those stud on side element bricks. So yeah, so you know, in conclusion, I would say I would give this an 8 out of 10, just because it is a Disney character, and I collect the Disney characters, not because it's a BrickHead. Well, I guess all in all, it's time to go. Better run off to our castle.
Hey, if you want to see more of my LEGO theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.